Welcome back, everybody. Let's pause for a second. Okay, I just want to point out that in this video, I'm not telling you how to wash your brushes. This is just how I do mine. All right. Let's see. I have the water on, of course. I'm showing you my smaller brushes, like highlighters, eyeshadows, stuff like that. These are my bigger brushes, face powders, contours, shoot, what do I like? Setting the under eye, bronzer, blush, whatever. Got my two sponges here. I'm gonna go with Dawn liquid soap. It's kind of all I had right now. I would normally try and do it with like a bar of soap, like antibacterial bar soap, but I mean, I'm just gonna work with what I got here. So I'm just starting to wash my brushes. The little ones are pretty easy. There's not much to clean. It's just doing them one by one kind of takes time. So I'm pretty sure I start washing maybe like 2 at a time or something just to make it go faster. But yeah, that's all that's going on right here. Okay, so I don't know if it's me, but sitting back and rewatching this video is actually very soothing and comforting in a way. I don't know if it's the sound of the water or what. It's just like a laid back video. Yeah, I just thought I'd mention that. I don't know if any of you guys feel the same way or not. Um, but yeah, let me know. Okay, so I'm done with my smaller brushes. I'm just putting them all under the water to kind of rinse and clean the handles off. And now for the bigger brushes. Definitely need more soap for these because there's a whole lot more makeup to actually wash off. Yeah, I don't know. It's just like one of those oddly satisfying videos. I feel like just watching all this dirty makeup come off. Yeah, so that's just this part. Okay, so this is my foundation brush. I was pretty sure this was going to probably be my dirtiest brush. I literally use this every single time. This is like my go-to way of applying my foundation. It actually didn't seem that, I mean, it was bad, but I thought it was going to be way worse. And I also want to mention that this is my first time using this little mat thing to actually clean my brushes. Usually I would just, do this same thing, but just using my hands in like really hot, warm water, whatever. I would like to say that the mat is definitely, I mean, it's nice. I don't know if you actually need it to clean your brushes, but I think it does help. It probably does speed up the process a little bit, but obviously it can, you can clean your brushes without it. It did start to swirl around and like move around in the sink once I started actually like really having to scrub my brushes. It's not a big deal though. I just, just my first time. It's just these little things that I've noticed. So yeah. Okay, so as you can see, I have two sponges. I'm washing the second one. I attempted to wash the first sponge I had. Come to realize that the sponge is just too old, so I decided I was going to throw it out. I was like halfway done washing it, and then I realized there's just too many like rips and little holes, and you could just tell how it, like the way it felt, that it just needed to be thrown out. I have 3 other ones brand new that I haven't even used yet, so I had no problem just throwing it away. But the second one is definitely newer. It's also being a huge pain trying to get this makeup out of it. This process is literally like squeeze, rinse, and it couldn't be more annoying, but it has to be done, right? So here I am just kind of like smushing it and playing with it to try and put it back into its like original shape. I mean, I think I got it as clean as it can be, and it was better than how it looked when I first started. And that's pretty much it. I'm just rinsing my mat off. I'm just going to let it sit there and dry. Okay, here's all my brushes, nice and clean. I have them hanging upside down so they can dry. Not all of my brushes fit, so I just put, what could fit. Thank you guys so much for watching.